Hi there, my name is Lee Arnold. I'm the broker owner of Benchmark Properties. I want to welcome you today to 3463 Lake Circle Drive in beautiful Fallbrook, California. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home just hit the market, so let's go check it out. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and boasts 2,462 square feet. The kitchen has been recently renovated with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. To help be energy efficient, the home is equipped with ceiling fans and solar power throughout the home. All 4 bedrooms are located upstairs with a laundry room and a mini loft. Located in the coveted community of Lake Rancho Viejo, this beautiful home features a gorgeous pool with a grotto, patio cover, jacuzzi, and built-in barbecue. I hope you enjoyed your tour today. If you have any questions about this home or any of the other properties we have available, or even the ones that are not even on the market yet, give us a call at 760-849-4401 or visit us online, Instagram, and Facebook at benchmarksocal.com.